Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, we will learn on how to log into your FedEx Ground Employee account. So let's get started. First, open any browser of your choice. Then in the search bar, type in FedEx Ground Employee Login. Then hit enter. Then tap on the website with this URL. And here you need to provide your FedEx Ground ID number. Your Ground ID number will be located on the front of your security badge. So go ahead and type your FedEx Ground ID number in the text field given for it. And when that's done, simply tap on this login button and you'll be logged into your account successfully if you got your credentials correct. And guys, that was it. I hope you found this video helpful. Give this video a thumbs up if you did and subscribe to our channel, TechUp, for more contents like this. Feel free to drop any of your queries or questions in the comment section below. I'll get right back to you. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to never miss an update. Thanks for watching and see you in next video.